Hi, I'm Robb Zipp, and you're watching The Robb Zipp Show. I have my friend Jamie with me, and we are in Sugarland for the Sugarland Holiday Lights. Join us, and let's have the most epic adventures. So we are at Constellation Field, the home of the Sugarland Space Cowboys, your AAA baseball national champions for 2024. Wow, look at this. They turned the whole baseball field into a winter wonderland. And you guess, today, did you know today was Teacher Appreciation Day? So we're here the night before Thanksgiving. They have an artificial ice rink, which I don't even know what's that's made out of. There is a lot of copywritten music being played. But look how cool this looks. Oh, look! They got a new mascot. Jamie is Orion now. Wait, how's your hand fit through there?
Oh, sorry.
What a novel idea to take a minor league ballpark and make it a winter wonderland. This is pretty cool. Santa's this way! Santa! S'mores! It's Santa! And she kind of looks like Mrs. Claus, doesn't she? She's coming to meet her man. She's coming to meet her man.
Either one of them. They have to say.
No, thank you. It's not even a real beard Santa, and they're charging like $40, right? Hey, well, he's got to eat too, right? So as we walk through here, I'll tell you, this is a ticketed event. You could purchase tickets at the gate, or you can buy them ahead of time. They're $15 plus fees and taxes. You gotta love those fees, those magical fees. No fishing, but yeah, here, this is the holiday path. It continues this way, apparently. This is my favorite Christmas song. So I guess if you charge a fee instead of making it free, it kind of keeps out some of the riffraff, maybe?
I mean, we still took pictures, we're just not going to pay for them.
Exactly.
Sorry, Santa.
What is a synthetic ice rink? You can bring your dogs on Sundays. These are beverages that they have available for this event.
That would be a no, actually.
Everybody loves light tunnels. Woo. So this isn't open now, but I think Friday night they're gonna have a little mini carnival out here. So something else. Look how long the tunnel goes. It goes all the way over here. Do I want a picture in there? I don't know if I do, but you might if you come with your family or friends. Look at the Princess Castle. Oh, don't you want to go into the Princess Castle? Okay, there. I said, where's the gingerbread? And you're like, right here, right there, right there. It's a big gingerbread house with no real gingerbread. Yeah, we're going down to the field now, or at least to the warning track. And the infield, there, yeah, we're actually getting to go onto the infield there. There's the synthetic ice rink. They're using real ice skates. You know, they've got the trainer handle things, because I mean, we don't really have ice rinks in Houston so much. So it makes sense. You don't want the kids to fall. Yeah, synthetic ice rink. No clue. Hey, welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas, starting in November. All right. We're going to the light. It's the bullpens, the home and visiting. They put them next to each other here in Sugarland. But look at that. This is real AstroTurf. Yeah, so this is the light maze. That you can kind of, yeah, like you said, you can kind of see right through it. So. Oh no, which way to go? Oh no, that's not it. Gotta turn around. Oh no, that. Oh. I'm so amazed. Oh no. Actually, now I am kind of confused. We just go out. This one has a. It says like a. It's a pole for dancing in the middle. Woo! Oh, I just kicked you. God bless Texas. Yep. Happy holidays, y'all. Moo. Actually, bulls don't say moo, do they? I don't know. What are the bulls?
Sure, they make some noise.
America. Oh, we missed the light show. What? I thought maybe you're right. Maybe it's just on the weekends. Because it's past the time when there was supposed to be a light show and I didn't see it. You can see all these lights though. This is the light show. Look at the tree. The tree is moving around. Well, this right here does say general store, but the tree's changing colors. Yay. Here's an attack helicopter. Here's Santa in a tank.
Merry Christmas.
Nothing says Christmas like Santa in a tank.
War.
And a fighter jet. So the baseball player here, there's an interactive color station, so you can see the kids hitting the buttons and it's changing the colors of the baseball player. That's fun. Hey, they even have a nativity scene, and the baby Jesus is wrapped in Space Cowboys bandana. How appropriate. Oh, look, she's some kind of bird. Oh, is that an angel? Okay. Where are all of your eyeballs? You can see the synthetic ice rink. Lots of kids. Some of these adults need the booster too. You can even get to go into the dugout here. This is the AAA dugout. Typically does not have Christmas lights suspended above it though. However. So this is a spirit tree and it's interactive. You can attack the spirit tree by banging on the gongos. Attack, 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 kill the tree. I'm just kidding. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming with us down to Sugarland for a Holiday Lights 2024. Did you enjoy yourself?
Yes, had a good time.
Yeah, it's cool. I mean, it looks really cool. It looks really cool. You walk around, enjoy the humid. It's like 80 degrees.
We're waiting for Christmas.
Yeah, we're waiting for a cold front tomorrow, so it's warm. It's the day before Thanksgiving. But if you're in the area and you want to get some cool pictures, see some cool lights, you can. Yeah, it's not bad. There's supposed to be some kind of some light show or something. Maybe this is the light show. You know, with the music, the copyright music. That's gonna get the video shut down. I hope you have a happy and safe Thanksgiving. I'm going to the Thanksgiving Day Parade with my mom tomorrow. And I've got a lot of holiday content coming up, so make sure you're subscribed. If you haven't done so already, like the video, please. Comment and share. Every like, comment, and share helps so much. So until tomorrow, happy holidays.
Look, I'm doing it again.
1624. Thank y'all for coming. Once y'all leave, there is no re-entry. Y'all have a good night and have a happy holidays.
All right, thank you.